Hello everyone. Today we're going to present our final year project, which is the influence of different type of essential oil in hand sanitizer. Our group members are Grace Micha anak Dian, Florence anak Tangu, Caroline Awan anak Dusip, Evelyn Minda anak Cimi, and Aiman bin Sharkawi.
Introduction. In the end of 2019, a cluster of cases of pneumonia have been reported by Wuhan Municipal Health Commission, China, which would lead to the novel coronavirus was eventually identified. It has conclusively been shown that COVID-19 virus has confirmed to reach Malaysia in late January 2020 following the outbreak from Hubei. In order to fight against this invincible war, WHO has recommended the use of hand sanitizer as a preventive measure in reducing transmission infection in public and a healthy lifestyle with efficient immune system to fight and stay safe from the spreading of COVID-19 virus. Problem statement. Not all essential oil is suitable to be used as addition fragrance in hand sanitizer. Overpowering smell of alcohol in commercial hand sanitizer causes dizziness when used frequently. The objective of making this hand sanitizer is to reduce overpowering smell of alcohol in hand sanitizer using essential oil and to determine type of essential oil as the addition of fragrance substance in hand sanitizer.
My name is Grace Michelle Anadian and I'm going to explain the scope of project and significance of study. The scope of the project. This study is basically done to come up with a hand sanitizer that can overcome the strong scent from the alcohol which is used as a base in the making of the hand sanitizer. However, this study is only limited to conducting customer satisfaction for the most preferred essential oil, volatility of hand sanitizer, the stability of gel, observing the microbial activity in hand sanitizer, and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy of hand sanitizer for the people in Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak. Significance of this study is we want to be able to overcome the overpowering smell of alcohol in hand sanitizer. Also, essential oil is able to reduce the antimicrobial resistance in bacteria or viruses in hand sanitizer, which is the main concern due to the sudden overuse of hand sanitizer during the pandemic.
My name is Aiman. Right now, I will explain about literature review. For essential oil, aromatherapy is one complementary therapy which uses essential oil as the major therapeutic agent to treat several diseases. The essential or volatile oils are extracted from the flower's barks, stems, leaf, roots, fruits, and other parts of the plant by various methods. It came into existence after the scientists deciphered the antiseptic and the skin permeability properties of the essential oil. This was taken from the journal of Baba Ali and others. For lavender has multiple biologic effects in vitro and in vivo, including anti-inflammatory, anti-lipidemic, antimicrobial, anti-neoplastic, analgesic, and sedative effect. In human, lavender has been claimed to induce relaxation and sedation and has been used to treat nervousness and insomnia. It also has an analgesic effect and is used in circulatory disorder, dyspepsia, and depression as well as for hair loss. This was taken from National Institute of Diabetes. For lemongrass, the essential oil are extracted from many plants such as basil, citrus, fennel, lemongrass, oregano, rosemary, and thyme has shown considerable antifungal activity against a wide range of fungal pathogens. This was taken from Malapa Kumara and others.
Hello, my name is Florence anak Tangu. So today I'm going to present about the methodology in this study. So I will start by list up the apparatus that used in this study, which is analytical balance, ultra mixture, magnetic stirrer, beaker, dropper, measuring cylinder, viscometer, FTIR spectrometer, spatula, petri dish, glass rod, plastic bottle, and nitrile glove. For the material we used was lavender essential oil, orange essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, ethanol 95% concentration, distilled water, glycerin, carbapol 940, and triethanolamine. The preparation technique in this study. For the first picture, ratio 7 to 3 of 95% ethanol and distilled water is added together until it becomes homogeneous. Then 3, 5, and 7 drops of S1, S2, S3 essential oil is then added into 50 ml of homogeneous mixture. Then this mixture of the essential oil is stirred using magnetic stirrer for a minute. After that, added 2 drops of triethanolamine and 3 ml of glycerin is diluted in 50 ml of homogeneous mixture using glass rod. Then 0.5 grams of carbapol 940 is weighed using analytical balance. Then added 0.5 of carbapol into the mixture slowly. Then stir it with ultra mixer at 5 RPM. Last but not least, the gel hand sanitizer is packed into flip cap plastic bottle and labeled as S1, S2, S3 essential oil hand sanitizer. We did a categorization survey throughout Google Form on customer satisfaction data for the most preferred amounts of drop, types of essential oil, and preferred formulations of glycerin added in hand sanitizer. We are using Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) as categorization technique. It is detecting functional group and chemical bond in hand sanitizer. Results for the most preferred essential oil in hand sanitizer have been recorded in this table, and it's shown that lavender essential oil have been selected for the most preferred essential oil to be added in hand sanitizer, with 57% of respondents are preferred the scents from the lavender, while 22% and 21% for orange and lemongrass essential oil respectively. However, for the preferred amounts of drops, 7 drops was wins over 5 and 3 drops based on this data that have been collected from the survey.
I will explain about volatility test in hand sanitizer. There's 3 samples of 50 ml lavender hand sanitizer that contain different volume of glycerin. 3 of this is tested with sample that marked as SO. There is no glycerin content needed. The time will be taken as T1 sample be spread on petri dish along with SO sample in room temperature. This step will be repeat on G2 and G3 sample. For G1 is 4 minutes and 14 seconds. For the G2 is 5 minutes and 3 seconds. G3 that takes 6 minutes and 11 seconds.
Now, I am going to show you the result of the stability of lavender gel hand sanitizer after 2 weeks. For sample C1, when it is put on a stick, it fell off instantly without force being applied to it. The odor remained as lavender. It has a clear color and a viscosity of a watery gel. For sample C2, when it is put on a stick, it fell off after some time when force is being applied to it. The odor also remained as lavender smell. It has a clear color and a viscosity of a lumpy gel. For sample C3, when it is put on a stick, it still remained intact even after applying some force onto it. The odor also remained as lavender. It has a clear color and also a viscosity of a very lumpy gel.
This study showed that microbial test on sample bread hand sanitizer has successfully achieved the objective, which is to see the effective between commercial hand sanitizer and C2 on prevent or kill the germ that present after a few days scrub that dirty bread with hand sanitizer. Based on the result, lavender essential oil (SC2) has proved to be the effectively preventing growth of mold on bread from day 1 until day 12. Lavender essential oil appear to be antiseptic against bacteria besides being fragrance. The result revealed that C2 more effective in killing germs because there is no growth of mold on specimen bread for C2. Meanwhile, referred to the result of commercial hand sanitizer, which is Dettol, not effective to preventing the growth of mold because they have a dark spot specimen bread from day 4 until day 12. Lavender essential oil has appeared to offer therapeutic as well as preventive potential in the post-antibiotic era.
Good morning everyone, my name is Evelyn Nachimi, and today I will explain about Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR). First of all, let me explain what is FTIR. FTIR is used to identify chemical bonds in a molecule by producing an infrared absorption spectrum, a profile of a sample produced by spectra, a distinctive molecular fingerprint that can be used to screen and scan the samples for many different components. As you can see in this figure, this is the FTIR result of lavender hand sanitizer sample. I will explain about this figure based on the table below. Firstly, for the absorption from 3200 to 3550 cm1, the compound class is alcohol. The appearance is strong and brown, and the group element for it is OH stretching. The compound is identified as ethanol. Ethanol is used as the alcohol base in the making of this hand sanitizer. Next, the absorption from 3000 to 3100 cm1, the compound class is alkane, the appearance is medium, and the group element is CH stretching. This shows that essential oil was assisted in this hand sanitizer. As we mentioned before, lavender essential oil is one of the materials that used to make this hand sanitizer. Lastly, the absorption from 1685 to 1710 cm1, the compound class is conjugated aldehyde, appearance is strong, and the group element is C double bond O stretching. This proves once again that essential oil is assisted as the compound between the range of 1700 to 1640 cm1 is considered as an aromatic CO strength.